use discount code JacobViral when you shop.
I'm Kegan.
Okay.
And
All right. CT 2K?
yeah, CT Sounds 2K on a Defbon's SA 255. And then I just have a little capacitor back here.
Okay, I'll come look. Door locked. Can I see the back of the hatch open?
Yes, sir.
Nice. With a 6-inch airport?
6-inch, yes, sir.
All right. This is a gravity capacitor?
Yes, sir.
Nice. And is that 1 ohm?
Yeah.
Okay.
I actually, I blew the top of the box off, so I figured I resealed it, and it used to sit like this. The box used to sit like this, but I actually picked it up and put the port to the back because that's what SUVs like. They like port back, sub up.
Yeah.
And I picked up about 2 dBs just off moving my box like that.
Yep. So instead of it being sub back, port side, sub up, port back, and you gain 2 dB. Sweet, man. Have you done an SPL test on it just to see?
No, but I've done NC Eastern Bass Outlaws.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. I like it, man. What is this subwoofer rated for? The 250?
It's rated for 2,000.
2000. Okay. That's a good match. All right. Nice. How big is your box and who built it?
I'm not sure how big the box is, but the box is built by Frank Smith out of Pittsburgh, North Carolina.
Okay.
He's also owner of Shockwave Car Audio Club.
Okay. All right. Can I? Oh, it's locked? Oh, you have to push to get it open. All right. Nice. This video is sponsored by NVX, and today I have the Y Series NVX budget level 12-inch subwoofer to show you that comes in a 10, 12, or 15-inch sub size. It's rated at 800 watts RMS, 1600 watt peak power. It has a 15 millimeter X-Max and 116 ounce double stack ferrite magnet with a 3-inch high temperature copper voice coil aluminum former. Frequency range plays between 20 and 200 hertz, and of course it works in both sealed and ported applications. If you want to know more, check out links in the description.